there's some revolutionary projects on the horizon, and you don't want to miss this because they are game-changing, from changing the whole blockchain to virtual reality with goggles like these. So I can't wait to share with you guys, and let's get into it right now. First one is AR and VR ecosystem, and they are doing their pre-sale right now. As you can see, the listing price, it is at 0.01. The price now is at 0.003. So that's like automatically almost a 10x. I think it's like a 4x, 3x, like a 3x, like instantaneous. I mean, why wouldn't you want that? It's going to go up 15% here in the next stage. So you definitely don't want to miss this. As you can see, the pre-sale is live. They've already raised 6 million out of the 7 million. So they're 80-ish% of the way there. And just people are buying up this 5scape token because they want to be a part of the AI VR revolution. And that's why I got one of these, because Quest 3 and VR and the pass-through with AR is amazing, and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to be a part in their VR ecosystem, experience the hyper-realistic game world of virtual reality. So it seems like they have some amazing things on their horizon, from Cage Quest, Thrust Hunter, and Immersive Kickoff. And if we look over their white paper, you can see that they have quite the project overview. They have quite the roadmap here with VR Ultra headsets. They have their Immersive Kickoff. They have their Swift Share, Archery Mastery, Epic Cricket. So a lot of sports games, I think. And I think that's really cool. They have a reward system where you can earn ongoing rewards just by participating. They have a roadmap, which we will go over here in a little bit, a fully doxed team, their audits. As you can see, all of their games, MMA Cage Quest, their Epic Cricket Arena, Immersive Kickoff, Archery Master, Thrust Center, VR, so many different things. A lot of cool things. I mean, who doesn't love VR and VR experiences? They'll have a SwiftScape chair. They'll have rewards. They'll have lifetime free access, in-game advantages, and early access community. The pre-sale is as follows: 80% is going to the pre-sale, 10% treasury, 10% liquidity. So very sweet stuff. And the roadmap is as follows: pre-launch, their trailer for the Cage will be out. I think that should be already out because it's already Q1, Q2. This is an update from in the future, in the past, I don't know. They already have this game completely live on the Meta Quest. So I could be a part of the ecosystem, just, playing. And as you can see, they have their logo here. Pretty fitscape. I think that's amazing. Epic Arena trailer, already on K2. So this game should be released. Have not tried it, so I can't tell you for sure. But I'm waiting for their actual listing where I can go deep on all of these games, because one, I'll be officially an investor after the pre-sale, but two, I can experience all of their experiences that they have. And why not earn money while doing experiences with no other but this next project, BlockDAG. Let's get into it. BlockDAG, we've talked about it previously on the channel, but if you haven't, they have a keynote ecosystem that they talk about, a keynote presentation about their ecosystem on this keynote number 1, which talks about their whole ecosystem, how you can earn, the different ways you can earn, from your phone, mobile phone, to a Wi-Fi router, to more of a CPU, to actually a system that is built for it. And they go over all the rewards and all the calculators and the calculation. But then they just released number 2, the keynote number 2, the moon, from the moon. And this went deeper into the technology, how it's going to take over the blockchain with its new mechanisms that they are really pioneering. And I think that is amazing. It goes deeper on the rewards, talks about how they are coming out with their test net coming up in a few months, and then their main net, all of how much they raised so far, and their airdrop for $2 million. So big things. I mean, we can look at their calculator and you can see how much you can actually earn in BlockDAG tokens, depending on the price and when you got in. So pretty cool stuff. And then you can also, depending on if you got the big daddy kind of hardcore system versus the more the GPU computer desktop, and then the Wi-Fi, and then the mobile app. And then you can see the difference because mobile, little thing here, and then it just gets bigger. Pretty cool. $10, I mean, that'd be pretty insane. Just kidding. So if it goes up to $10, you're going to be making $20,000 a day, $6,000 a day on your desktop, $2K on your Wi-Fi router, and on your mobile phone, $200 a day. But, just depends on what time you launch it. So as you can see, when they launch at batch 40 or at launch at 5 cents, the current price is 0.009 cents, so less than a penny, which is automatically like a 5x. You're getting $1 a day, $10 a day, $30 a day, or $100 a day. And so that leaves us with our final project of the day. And then finally, the Dogeverse, the first Doge that is going to cross no bounds beyond all of the major chains and bring a rise to the Doge. So as you can see, we have it on Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, there's USDT. I don't know what that one is, but here they are all on this. You have your Polygon, your Ethereum, Binance, Base, Avalanche, and that must be Base, and Solana. So Cosmo, the chain hopping, and the Doge. The Dogeverse is the multi-chain. So as you can see, they've been featured on all sorts of different blockchains, projects, and articles. They are taking over the blockchain, and they are taking over the interwebs. So very sweet to see. They are in pre-sale right now. So if we go back up, you can see that it starts in 1 day, but they've already raised $15 million, which is insane. They have quite the extensive roadmap because obviously their website is already live. Their contract is beginning. Pre-sale is on the way. So 1 day from now, the pre-sale will begin. Community building, they are growing. But this is the total supply. That number is way too big for me to even think what it is. Trillion, I think. 15% pre-sale allocation, 10% staking. Project funds, 25 liquidity, 10 marketing, 25 ecosystem, 10 and exchanges. 5, very easy to buy. Your typical way to do it. Connect your wallet, buy your tokens, claim on the chain, and bridge or trade. So they have all their frequently asked questions, and you can be part of the Dogeverse if you take part of the pre-sale right now in 1 day. So there you go, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.